Hi, welcome back. In teacher part, we created the controller and models and views. And last one, we have created the URL managing things, that is a routes. So route is resided on the routes folder. So the routes. This is a URL manageable things. If you type the URL, it goes to the page. So here, go to the web.php page. So here, we have created this URL. You show the, when the URL type admin students, it goes to the controller students controller. Now here I am going to create the another URL. I just Control C to copy, Control V to paste over here. Now here this is the teachers. Go to the teachers. What's the controller? I am going to visit if the URL type here admin teachers, it goes to the controller which is a teachers controller. It is reside on HTTP controllers admin, inside admin for teachers. So type here teachers. Right, teachers controller. Perfect. Now here we have to do another important thing is here you have to give the path where your teacher controller is resided. So here we already gave the path of student controller. Your student controller reside on app HTTP controllers admin students controller. So the same thing, Control C copy, Control V to paste below. Here I am going to, instead of the students, I am going to change this one as a teachers. That's it. This is very important stuff. Now let's save all. Now let's save all. We done the routes part. In our next video, I'll be show out how the application is work. I'll see in my next lecture. Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw the process of creating the routes. In this video, I'm going to run the teachers application. So here, first I'm going to run the project PHP artisan save. You have to type the command. Press enter key. Right. Now let's copy the URL. Control C to copy back to my browser. Now here I'm going to paste them again. It's working. I'm going to write admin students. It's working. Instead of the students, here you can see here web.php. What's the URL? We have typed teachers, right? We have typed teachers. Press enter key. There is one error, request. Where's there teachers controller? Everything fine. Teachers, teacher model, where request. The problem is this. Okay, I identify the error. What does the error mean? Back to our project. This teachers controller project. Here you can see here the public function index. Here I have an empty index I have given. If you go and look at the student controller, you can see a request. Request, there is a variable request variable, because why I create this variable for the search, do the search part, they are create the variable over here, so that the error should be thrown. So just copy this one, Control C to copy, Control C to copy this one, back to my teachers controller, you have to paste it. Okay, this is how we have to identify the error and solve them. Right, save all. If you get any error while you copy pasting, okay, you try to solve yourself. This is how the error happen. Okay, you have to identify the variable request. So you get the mind. This variable is reside on where. is reside on here. This the inside the function we have created these variables, right? Let's save, right? Save. Now let's back here and you have to refresh it. Now here it's working successfully. Now here the teachers, if you type this URL admin teachers, you can get the screen teachers part. Now I'm going to add the new record, click add new. Now here it's successfully go to the create page. Now I'm going to add the teachers, right? Now I'm going to add the teacher here as Raja, address India, telephone number, something like that. Click create button. Here the teachers has been created successfully. After created, it back to our teachers page here. After if you click view, here we will be able to view the data. Now let's click back. It's going to back. If you want to edit the data, click edit button. All the records pass into the page. Now if you make any changes, I'm going to change the address as USA. Click update. Record has been updated successfully. You can see here India, change it as USA. Now if you want to delete the data, click delete button. It asks a confirmation. If you click cancel, record keep on the table. Click again. If you click OK, record has been deleted. Now your CRUD operation is working successfully by the manual way. I just copy and paste the code, and I just only the thing is all the student I'm going to change this as a teacher. I hope you guys you understood so far. I'll be seeing my next lecture. Hi, welcome back. In our last video we complete the teachers module. In this video I'm going to teach about the customization of the project. Now I'm going to customize the teachers. So I'm going to add some data. So click add new button. Here I'm going to add some data. So you have type John, address India, phone number. I'm going to enter some phone number. Click create. Now I'm going to add another teacher and address India telephone number. Click create. Right. I have two records. Now I'm going to go to the customization part. Now if you want to give view, if you click view, you can view the details, right? Now here this one, but I'm going to change the customization part. I'm going to change the design. So how to change the design? Let's go to the Google and type Bootstrap cards. If you type, you can get the first link. Here you can get this one, Bootstrap for cards, W3 score. Now here this nice card I am going to implement it over here. Now go below. This complete code is there right now. Here this code, this is the image. Let's import the image out, add the image and everything. I will explain it. Right click, save as. I'm going to put it, this one is my project. My project is Laravel project. This is Laravel project. Right? I'm going to save it over here. Image avatar. This is a PNG type. Save. My image is saved. I saved the image. After that, this is the code. This is a card code, right? This is the same design I want to get in my project. So to get it to my project, just copy this code. This is how your developers works. You just copy this code, Ctrl C copy, back to my project view. So we have to go to the teachers part. Teachers, here we have the resources. Inside resources there will be the views folder. Inside the views there is an admin. Inside the admin there is a two modules. What is the teachers and students. Here I'm going to make the customization into teachers view. Teachers view mean if you click the view, it show the teachers details. So here this one should be the view. View mean this is show. Show.blade. This page which will be view the records. or student records, right? So if you want to click view button, this is show, this form is show. Okay, this form is shown show dot blade.php. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, this is the data which will be showing here. If you click this one, this is the data which will be shows. This is the data which will be shows. Now, so here this div is started here, close it here. Now here what is the code I have copied? I just paste over here, select over here, and press the tab key on your keyboard. You have to make the alignment of the project. The alignment is must. When someone look at your code, the code will be alignments like this way, then only the code should be the professional. Right. Now here you can see the card with all things are there. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Let's save all, go back here, refresh it. Now you can get this nice card design over here, but you didn't get the image is not visible over here. So how to get the image here, I already explained. When you get the when you add the images in your project, which folder you have to go? It's a public folder. So where's your public folder? Here, this is a public folder. You have to click here. This click here. Inside the public folder, I'm going to create the new folder which is a images. So click the public folder, right click, new folder. This folder I'm going to name it as images. Press enter key. Here the folder has been created. Inside the folder I'm going to import the image. Right. Now what I'm going to do is, this is my project. Here I'm going to, this is the image I have downloaded. This image you just drag in, drop it into the images folder. You just drag and drop it. You just drag and drop it. Okay, otherwise you just cut and put into this, go to the public folder, there's image folder and paste it. That is a second way. Instead of that, this is easy way. Rather than compared to this is easy way. You just drag and drop into the images folder. Now if you just drag and drop, the image will be placed inside the images folder. This is a very easy way. Right. Now how to give the path over here. So here this is the image. Okay, you can see the image tag, class, src. Inside the src tag I have to import my image. So how to do the thing is here, we have to write here, let's press enter key, enter key here. Here I'm going to add the image. So how to add the image over here, let's backspace and remove the code, and here you have to open bracket 2 times, close bracket 2 times. Inside the bracket, here you have to write URL, open bracket, close bracket. So here you have to write the path. So single quotation, you have to write a single quotation. Your images reside on where? Inside the images folder. You have to write the name correctly, images / name of the image along with the extension. You have to write image avatar .png. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do it. Now let's save all. Let's back to our project and check it whether your image is working or not. Refresh it. Here, successfully your image is working on. First you have tested. Whatever you did it, you check it at the same time. Now it's working fine. Now what I'm going to do is, here you have to add the remaining stuff. Now the teacher's ID, all the things are there. Now I'm going to go to this teacher's ID. So this is the name. First what I'm going to do is, here you have to here you can see here, first your ID, name, all the things are there. Right now first I'm going to add it here is the customization. ID. So here this one, first one should be the name have to this one teachers, this name. So we have to write type here is inside the card title. I'm going to make it as name, write like this. The same code, teacher's name. Okay, here the name is display, where the name is display, address is display, telephone number is display. Okay, data is coming here, teacher name, right? So let's this one, Control C to copy, paste it over here inside this title. After that, this is the card text. I Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Now here I need to show the name as title. After that, this one should be the text, address and telephone number I want to show as a text. So this one, teacher's address, Control C to copy, Control V to paste over here. This one I am going to write it here is address. After that, I have another field, that is I'm going to remove here. This one is the phone number. This one I'm going to change this one as personal phone number. You just copy this one. Control C to copy, back it. You have to paste. Control V to paste. Now you have successfully done the things. Right. Now here I now need this profile page. I remove it. Now let's get rid of the spaces. Now the simple code. Now let's file save all. Let's save all. Back to my project and refresh it. Now you can see the details. The same details you can see here. The ID also I want to show it the ID as well. So ID also I haven't added over here. So ID also I have to make it as a text. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here the teacher ID you have to type here. You can write like this way as well. Okay, if you have any experience, you have a good experience. So you have you know the name. You can type it over here. This is how you get the experience of the project. This one should be the ID. That's it. This is how we have make the customization of the project. Now let's I now need them. This is look nice instead of rather than compared to this. So let's select the table. This is a table. This one should be a table. This table I'm going to remove it. So let's here this view is starting here, closing here. This table is starting here, closing here. Select here, backspace to remove it. Now let's check how it's look like. Save all, back, refresh them. Now here ID. Here you can see all the details. Now if you want to if you have a photo, it will be coming here. We don't have a photo, that's why we have to look like this. If you have a photo, you can see the photo as well. I will be teach how to upload the photo and all the things in my upcoming tutorials. I will see in my next lecture.